Welcome back to this special broadcast that comes to you from the Kargil War Memorial at Dras. Let's now talk about Indian Army's strategic messaging to our adversaries across our borders. The Army commander, flanked by the corps commanders of Ladakh, Kashmir and Nagrota, and 75 bikers, they rode into the Dras War Memorial. One, it was a signal to our braves, their families, their kin, that the nation remembers them. Remember, across the border, they don't remember their soldiers who've been killed in combat. That's one part of the story. The other part of the story is encouraging youngsters to join the armed forces. The third, and extremely important, the Army Commander, Northern Command said adversaries must be very careful about India's sheer grit and determination, because Kargil has shown every adversary that India fights for victory and honor. We are at the Chinar Corps headquarters in Srinagar, and with me are two co-commanders who will now be a part of the Army Commander's motorcycle parade all the way up to Dras War Memorial. With me is Lieutenant General Suchendra Kumar, the Nagrota Corps Commander, and Lieutenant General D.P. Pandey, the Kashmir Corps Commander. Now, Jammu and Kashmir traveling together to Ladakh. General, what is it that you hope to achieve with this, and is this motorcycle rally unique?
Gaurav, yes. Firstly, the bike rally is definitely unique. I think it's a very rare bike rally which has been led by a very senior general of Indian Army. The Army Commander himself is leading this bike rally. He's traversed through a very difficult terrain already through Jammu region and has entered Kashmir yesterday. The second is unique because we got both the corps commanders of Jammu and Kashmir together here. And both the teams have come through different route. One route has been taken by 16 Corps to come through the Peer Ki Gali, and also we received the Army Commander's entourage at Banihal, the Banihal tunnel yesterday. The other part is that we all will drive together, negotiate entire length and breadth of the Kashmir valley itself to merge with the team of 14 Corps, which is going to be joining us at Taraz. And that's definitely unique.
So you have four lieutenant generals who will be a part of this motorcycle rally. General, is this an adventure activity just to remember the braves of Kargil, but is it also to motivate youngsters to join the armed forces?
Yeah, very truly, to motivate youngsters to recognize the contribution of the armed forces, the martyrs, motivate them to join the armed forces, take up adventure, sports activities, and contribute to the society and country.
Does this also send out a signal that the armed forces completely in control? I mean, no armored vehicles, none of that required, riding on motorcycles all the way across Jammu and Kashmir to Ladakh?
Yes, it brings about the stability and the dividends of peace, which we must carry forward together.
Dividends of peace is the attempt. This motorcycle rally now moves forward from Srinagar, crossing the Zojila Pass at 11,600 feet. All the riders here, soldiers of the Indian Army, will now embark on a journey to send across that big message. The roar of the motorcycles are there for all to hear.
It's day 2 of the bike rally organized by the Indian Army to commemorate the Kargil Vijay Divas. We made a halt in Srinagar and now are heading towards the Kargil War Memorial in Dras via Zojila Pass. Earlier, a solemn ceremony was organized which was attended by Lieutenant General Y.K. Joshi and other corps commanders. Lieutenant General Joshi had led the 25 bikers from Udhampur on a journey which will end at the Kargil War Memorial in Dras.
So day 2 of our journey, and we are all set to drive through. extremely picturesque Kashmir Valley, and especially drive through Kangan and Vusan before we from Sonmarg you climb on to Zojila. With me is Colonel Divakar Bharadwaj and several other bikers, all set. Colonel Divakar, how excited are you about day 2? And is there some apprehension considering we are now going to be driving through the entire valley in North Kashmir?
Hi Gaurav, the excitement is just building up. You've been riding with us for a day now, and you're yourself witness to the crowd support in Kashmir, people waving all along the road. This is definitely a more secure, safer and a prosperous Kashmir. The winds of change are here for all to see.
The winds of change are here for all to see is what the army believes. We'll be driving through the valley, and then the treacherous part of the journey, the road ahead in the valley, literally and metaphorically difficult, but an attempt to build on peace.
The bike expedition is to mark the 22nd anniversary of the victory in Kargil.
Before we embark on the next leg of our journey, the vehicles are all being fueled up, and this is the core of the military police, the CMP, that's managing the entire administration here. I have Subedar SC Yadav, Lance Naik Ravi and the Lance Naik Dharmendra. They are all managing this and of course providing protection around this entire unit. Now this is the motorcycle that I am riding. Before we move forward, they are checking everything, fueling up for the next part of the journey.
We are now heading towards the Zojila Pass, one of the most dangerous mountain roads. At an elevation of 11,575 feet above sea level. It's said to be one of the most treacherous passes in the world. We have now reached the Zojila Pass, and the Kargil War Memorial is just an hour away from here.
The signaling that goes, firstly, when I come to Dras, now I'm in the threshold of entering into Ladakh, at the Zojila Pass. For me, emotions run very high. I go back 22 years when I went, on this path, and I didn't know what is in store ahead for me. And what was ahead for me, was an absolute challenge. But it's thanks to the, brave soldier of the Indian Army who sort of stood up to the challenges and produced the results. Taking this ride with all 3 co-commanders, the message that goes across, is that wherever there is teamwork, there is success. So that is the message I want to send across.
We are now entering Ladakh, a very powerful signal that goes out with the army commander and the 3 co-commanders all together entering Ladakh, of course, with this huge now entourage. So 75 motorcycles, 25 that came from Karakoram, the others that came from Srinagar and from Jammu. So 75 motorcycles now right together into the Kargil War Memorial at Dras.
With Lieutenant General Joshi, 3 other corps commanders are also riding to the Kargil War Memorial. No armoured vehicles, no extra security. The army says it's reflective of the change that has taken place.
So we've been riding for about 2.5 hours now. We've crossed Zojila, quite a mighty pass, and we've reached Gumri. This used to be one of the staging camps during Op Vijay, and with me is Major Kajal, the only lady officer who's riding along in this motorcycle rally. Ma'am, how has the experience been?
It's a great experience. We've started our ride yesterday, and we started from Udhampur, and yesterday we had halted at Srinagar, but the ride was excellent and adventurous too. A lot of challenges en route because of the terrain what we have come through, and of course the weather, but then weather gods were kind enough yesterday. Let's see how it plays up ahead.
I know, because it was drizzling in between and the drizzle was really nice. Of course there's such a so there's a lot of drizzle and you can see the dust on her face, dust on my face, because we've been riding through Zojila. But have you been a rider? You learnt when did you learn how to ride a bike?
I knew riding before I joined the organization, but then I did not get the opportunity what I got in the organization to enhance my riding skills, I would say.
Because you're quite a superb rider with the way you were negotiating, Zojila, and quite a difficult pass to negotiate given the fact that quite a bit of it is kacha also. But is riding a passion? Is this adventure? Is this an adventure that comes with the Forge?
The only thing what I want to say and I would like to highlight is the individuals who have joined organization. The organization is such, it is somewhat related to passion and adventure in the life.
After a ride of more than 300 kilometers, the army commanders and Jawans reached the Kargil War Memorial in Dras and paid homage to the soldiers who laid down their lives. It's been 22 years since India defeated Pakistan in the Kargil War. 22 years since our brave hearts pounded the enemy. 22 years of grit and valor.
Operation Vijay is a testimony that the Indian Army will never compromise on the integrity and sanctity of our territory. Neither it has done in the past, nor will it allow in the future. Any action by the adversary will be met with resolve, courage, and bravery unparalleled in the history.
The journey that started from the Northern Command in Udhampur has now concluded at the Dras War Memorial. Message of this journey is very clear. It is one, to pay homage to our braves who made the supreme sacrifice of their lives to protect the integrity of our country. There is another message, a message to India's adversaries. Should they try any misadventure, there will be consequences. And whether it's a Jawan or a general, they have the same spirit, the same gusto, the same willpower to come on top and defeat any enemy. With cameraman Kripal Singh at the Dras War Memorial, Gaurav Sawant for India Today.